Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fit Tuckers. Today we're talking about like the top 5 exercises never to do. I get tired of seeing people do these exercises incorrect form. You're gonna hurt yourself. So today here, this is an assisted dip pull-up machine. I'm not actually going to use the assist part, but I'm going to show you how to do a pull-up. All right. So with pull-ups, okay. Pull-ups, we're just going to come straight up, then down. Straight up, then down. There's no swing here. You're not helping yourself. If you're swinging and doing that, you're not helping yourself. Use the assisted part just to do it right. And the same thing, there is no finish line up here. We're not a horse. We're not a dog. So if I come up here and then do that, I didn't go any further, all I did was put pressure on the back of my neck. Stop doing that. There's no finish line. We're not a dog. We're not a horse. It's not a race. Just come up, squeeze, down, squeeze. So now, if you can't do a pull-up the correct way, use the machine. So we'll use the assisted part, all right? But still, use the correct form. Come up, squeeze. Up, squeeze. Don't raise your neck. Up, squeeze. Correct form, guys, is the key to all exercise. You're not helping yourself by swinging. You're not getting any stronger. Adjust the weight. Do it the right way. And keep going up accordingly to where you can do it the right way. If you do 3 the right way and then start swinging, you're still taking away from the exercise. Correct form is all we need. Okay, so this is the absolute worst exercise. I've been telling people for 8 years. Muscle Magazine come out with it like 7 years ago. We'll show you why it's so wrong. You see people sitting here doing this or doing this. This is not a swing, all right? This is a back exercise. All we're doing here is putting pressure on our back and taking away from the exercise. Now we're putting pressure on our neck. You always want to use the straps. So with the straps, I'm going to put my hands all the way over on the bar here to the end, and I'm going to put my thumbs here, okay? Thumbs here on the outside, so I'm flexing, so I'm actually getting a little bit of the triceps. So my feet are flat, my back is straight. I'm going to look straight ahead, okay? And I'm going to come down to a 90-degree angle and squeeze. Back up, fully extended, 90-degree angle and squeeze. And you can see my lat muscles contracting. Slow and concentrated exercise, squeezing the muscles. I'm not swinging, and this is contracting these back muscles and getting a great workout. So then I bring my elbows in and come down to a 90-degree angle and squeeze. So it's a little bit more lat. Again, my feet are flat, my back is straight, and I'm looking straight ahead. So no pressure on the back of my neck and no added pressure to my lower back. Slow, concentrated exercise. Stop using the bar. Slow down. Do the exercises the correct way. All right. Another thing, guys, is triceps. I'm going to show you the rope, okay? All right? So I'm going to put the ball of my hand at the end of this rope, okay? So I'm going to take a little bit of pressure off my back and put a slight bend in my knees, all right? And I'm going to start at a 90-degree angle. So a 90-degree angle, then I'm going to go down and completely spread. Back up to 90, pause, come down, spread. I see so many people doing this. We're doing legs. Are we on a trampoline? What are we doing? I got 25 pounds here, and you can see my muscles contract right here with this tricep. Coming down and squeeze. The main thing with triceps is to flick this wrist. As you can see, I have no weight, but watch, just flicking my wrist, pop, pops that tricep. Pop, set tricep. Slow it down. Keep your feet flat, get your weight distributed evenly, and concentrate and just come down. Start at that 90-degree angle, down, out, spread. Slow it down, guys. All right. We just showed you a great tricep exercise. I'm going to show you a tricep exercise you should not be doing. All right, 80% of tricep injuries come from this. See all these guys trying to put 100 pounds back here and coming back and squeezing, or they're sitting down doing it. You're putting so much pressure on your elbow. All right, stop doing 100 to 110 pounds. You're putting so much pressure on your elbow from back there versus the 25 pounds I just did with the rope. I'm going to contract. Now this is an okay exercise for lightweight coming that way, but stop trying to do 85, 110 pounds unless you got a powerlifting show or something. Stop. You're going to tear your tricep. You can get a great workout just using that rope. Never want to come behind your head like that with a lot of weight. You're going to tear your tricep. All right, another thing, guys. This is where you put weights. This is not a lawnmower. Stop walking up here and acting like you're cranking a lawnmower. We'll show you a gym etiquette video. Make sure you check that out as far as where to stand with these weights. You grab the weights and you get out of the way. Doing this right here is horrible. We're going to slow and concentrate. Okay, so we're going to show you the proper way to do a back row. So I'm going to lean down here, okay? So I've already got my leg all the way over here. I got my hand. I'm going to open this leg up, completely open, okay? I'm taking that pressure off my back. So I'm going to lean forward so my arm is all the way down, okay? So I got this leg here, taking the pressure off my back here. I'm just going to come up and squeeze. Back down, up, squeeze. So you see, the only thing I'm using is my lat muscle, all right? My shoulder, obviously. But that's a slow, concentrated exercise. That's much better than getting up there swinging like you're starting a lawnmower. All you want to do is slow, concentrated. Like I said, I'm taking that pressure off my back. I'm leaning forward here. I'm slow, concentrated, giving it a squeeze. All the way back down, squeeze. I'm not moving around. Just remember, slow, concentrated exercise. All right? Slow things down. You can get a great workout slowing things down, contracting those muscles. Pause. When you pull something, pause. Pretend you're pausing for a selfie. Squeeze those muscles. Make sure you check out our other videos, guys. We got a lot of great stuff. We're going to take you around, show you how to properly use each machine, proper technique on exercises, all right, gym etiquette. We got meal prepping. Make sure you check out our other videos. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tell all your friends about us. We're trying to educate as many people as we can. And always remember, don't sit, get fit.